want to change your life for the better in just 2 minutes a day? Let me teach you how to squat and the importance of it. Did you know that we are the only country that cannot do this anymore? The majority of Americans cannot do this simple squat position and find it comfortable. Well, this is a resting pose because God designed our bodies to be at rest in this position. Could go on for hours on all the things about biomechanics and functional movement, that being in a squat position, what it does. The one that you might find the most intriguing is that you will go to the bathroom like a champ again. You will not need to take any of all the medications that you're probably taking to try to poop, because this position puts the right pressure into your internal organs that are responsible for the poop aspect. So here's what I want you to do. Stand, feet are about hip width apart. You can turn your feet out just a little bit and squat to the ground. If you get about here and everything falls apart, grab a towel. You don't need any fancy tools, just grab a towel, set it down, or a couple books. Put your heels up on it, elevate your heels, and then let's try it again. And how far can your legs be spread out? You know, right now, why do we care about any of that? Just get yourself into this position the best you can. Can you bring your elbows in between? Spread your toes out. And then if you're down in this position, once you get down into this position, I want you to think about zipping up the inside. Contract those deep pelvic floor muscles. Think of a Kegel. Contract those muscles, keep everything else relaxed. And then let's just do a little twisty movement like this. We're just shifting our weight back and forth. Oh, but my ankles aren't mobile enough. I don't have enough mobility in my ankles. Listen up, gang. You can stretch and poke and prod and scrape all you want. You can put the pressure of Hercules on your I need to stretch tissue, and it's not going to make a change long term. We need to load the area. The nervous system has been left out of all of our healing and most all of our therapies, and we just want to add a compressive load and move within some safe zones. I would encourage you to do this 2 to 3 minutes a day until you can get yourself onto the ground flat-footed. Even if you have to hold on to something, you're next to a couch, or you have TRX bands or something, and you slowly work yourself into it, your nervous system will recognize the load as being a safe load. That's how we make gains. Consistency. Let's ace this thing together. You can go to my next video if this is easy for you, and we'll continue the progression of your health, wellness, and mobility in 26. Happy squatting!